Right, so let's have a look at magic squares. Magic squares works like this. We've got a square and there are 9 different sections in the square. 3 of them are linked up. So the 9, the 8 and the 13 are all linked up. They're in a row. So they could be in a row, they could be in a column, or they could be diagonal. We need to add these numbers up. So what is 9 plus 8 plus 13? Robert?
30.
30. What should I do? I'm actually going to use the space around the magic squares to answer the question. So rather than trying to remember the number 30, I'm going to say, okay, 9, 8 and 13 is 30. I'm going to put 30 there. Now 30 is the magic number. So it doesn't matter if I add this 13, whatever number is here, and 11, it must equal 30. So 13 plus a number plus 11 needs to equal 30. What number is missing in the middle there? Talia? 6. Let's try that. 13 and 6 is 19. 19 and 11 is 30. So that's right. So the answer there is 6. Now I can say that 13 and 6 is 11. 30 there. I think we're getting the hang of this. Wonderful. Yep.
When you add them, you can add them up and then you put on your fingers. And so you have the number, you add them, the 2 numbers that are there, you add them up, and then you got on your fingers, and then you count up to 30, and then how many fingers did you use is the next.
That's great. That's called the counting on strategy. Let's do the counting on strategy for this one. 9 and 11. So I'm going diagonally across. Oh, look at that word. Diagonally. That's a good word. What's 9 and 11, Delilah?
9 and 11 is 20.
So, if we're going to use Talia's strategy, we're going to count on from 20 up to 30. So what would the missing number be in the middle? Zenith?
10.
10. Okay, so there, 9, 10 and 11 is 30. Can you see? Every time I do one, I'm checking it and I'm adding up the number at the bottom. So we've done the one across here, we've done that one. Oh, what about this one? 14, 10 and 6 is, Talia?
30.
Well done, Talia. What about 8 and 10? Radwan, 8 and 10 is what?
18.
What's the missing number here? Are you sure? 8 and 10 is 18. We need to get up to 30. No, you should be listening. Okay, I want you to have a really good think about it, and I'm going to ask Zoe.
8 and 10 equals 18, so yeah, 12.
Yeah, 12. Well done. Hands up. What's the last number that goes in here while I figure this out?
12. Is it 12?
Please don't call out.
Sorry.
Right. Talia?
7.
Let's see. This must add up to 30.